It all started with a November 2023 ruling by a Colorado judge. The judge stated that despite Donald Trump's involvement in the January 6 Capitol riots, he remains eligible to run for president. This ruling came in response to a challenge by the government watchdog group Crew, which argued that a clause in the 14th Amendment disqualifies Trump from holding office again. The judge found that Trump did engage in an insurrection through incitement but concluded this clause did not apply to individuals running for president. Fast forward to December 20th, the Colorado Supreme Court made a historic move. They ruled that Trump is ineligible for election in the state's presidential primary due to his involvement in the aforementioned insurrection. This ruling partially overturned the previous one, stating that Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which disqualifies individuals who have engaged in insurrection from holding certain positions of power, applies to the presidency. Trump's attorneys immediately announced plans to appeal the decision to the U.S. Supreme Court. The Colorado Supreme Court stayed their ruling until January 4th, pending review by a higher court. Now, the U.S. Supreme Court is yet to decide whether to take up the case. This Colorado ruling is significant and could potentially set a precedent for other states to follow suit, leading to Trump's disqualification from the ballot in multiple states. Trump's legal team and the Republican National Committee have labeled this as election interference, while others see it as a necessary enforcement of the Constitution. In summary, the initial Colorado ruling found Trump eligible to run for president despite his involvement in the January 6th insurrection. This was later overturned by the Colorado Supreme Court, who ruled Trump ineligible due to Section 3 of the 14th Amendment. This decision has been appealed, and we now await the final verdict from the U.S. Supreme Court. No matter the outcome, this case will undoubtedly leave a lasting impact on the future of American politics.